Good morning students. Today we are going to see a grammar topic, since and for. Okay, now read this sentence. Old woman, oh Raghu, I don't know. I have been looking for him since morning. Woman, he is hungry. Our ladder has been empty for 2 days now. So now read the word what I have underlined, since morning. For 2 days. Do you know what to use since and for? Okay, let me explain you. First of all, we can see the differences between since and for. Since and for. So since refers to a point of time. So since it refers to point in time, whereas for refers to period of time. So here they both refers to the time only, but there is a slightest difference. See here, since they particularly point out the time. So since they have particularly they point out the time, and whereas for they are pointing out a duration of time. Here particularly they are pointing out the time, and here they are pointing out the duration of a time. Duration means amount of time. Then since it had started in the past and continues until now. When something started in the past and continues until now. So they have already started in the past, but now they are continuing till now. We will say no, since 1989, like that. Then it has an, and for it has a starting point and an end point. So now how you all know the differences between since and for? Since they particularly point out the time, and for they are talking about the duration of time, that is amount of time. Then since they have already started in the past and continues until now, and for it has a starting point and ending point. Okay, let me explain you with an example. Going to give you example sentences for since. Since 3rd August. Since morning. Since Monday. Since 8 o'clock. Since my birthday. Then since last month. So here they are particularly pointed out the time. See, for example, 3rd August. On morning, Monday, 8 o'clock, my birthday. Particularly they are mentioning my birthday. Last month. So they are particularly they are mentioning. So you have to use since. I will understand the since. Then let's move on with an example for. For 20 minutes. For 2 days. For 4 6 months. For 5 years. So for a long time. So here they are mentioning the duration of a time, that is the amount of time, that is 20 minutes, 2 days, 4 weeks, 6 months, 5 years and a long time. Have you all clear with the example sentences? Now let us move on to the exercise. Now fill in the blanks with since or for. Already I have taught you since and for. Since means they particularly point out the time. Then for means a duration of a time. The help of that you have to fill this exercise. Now let us move on to the exercise. Dash 2 years for 2 years. So it's a duration of time for 2 years. Then second one, dash 20 minutes. It come under duration, period of time. So for 20 minutes. Then next one, dash 1989. We are particularly pointed out 1989. So have to use since. Then fourth one, question, dash 5th December. So they are particularly pointing out 5th December. So have to use since. The next one, dash last month, since last month. So they are mentioning last month. So we are using since. Then dash 15 days. So it come under duration, that's period of time. So you have to use for 15 days. The next one, dash 30 March. So particularly they are mentioning a 30th March. So you have to use since 30 March. So next one, dash 30 seconds for 30 seconds. The duration it's come here. So for 30 seconds. Have you all understood with this? Next, move on to our next one. Fill in the blanks with since or for. I have not met her, dash her wedding. So they are particularly pointed out what? A wedding. So I have to use since. The next one, she has been learning French dash 4 months now. So she's continually learning a French. So for how many months he is learning? For 4 months he is learning. So it's a duration of time. So what will the answer? For 4 months. The next one, when he was ill, he did not go to the school dash 10 days. So it's a duration of time. So he is ill, so he did not go to the school for 10 days. The duration of time. So the answer is for. The next one, Mr. Sharma has not been to zoo dash he was a small boy. Mr. Sharma was a small boy, so only he does not go to zoo. So they are particularly pointing out. So what's the answer? Since. The next one, Ravina has been looking for the phone dash the past 15 minutes. So she has been searching the phone. So it's come under duration of time. For 15 minutes she is searching the phone. Okay students, today we have learned what to use since and for. Have you all understood? I hope you too understand. And it's time for the homework. Now have to write 5 example sentences for the word since and for. Write 5 example sentence for the word since and for. So you have to write 5 example sentences for since and for. Thank you students.